So we were finding the moment at C, and we said we do sum of moments about C equals to 0. Okay. So now I will name these points here. The point of application of F1, I will name it point A, and the point of application of F2 is B. I will find coordinates in order to do the vectorial product. So for point A, as you can see in the figure, it is on XY plane. So for point A, we have 3 along X and 3.5 along Y and 0 along Z. Now for F2, for point B, we have B on Y-axis, so it's 0, 3.5, 0. And for point C, it is also on Y-axis, so it is 0, 1.5, 0. Okay. Now I am ready to write my equation of moments. Sum of moments about C equals to 0. So I have first the couple at C, which is MC, plus, as we said, the moment of F1. The moment of F1 about C is what? It's CA vectorial F1, okay? And plus the moment of F2 about C, so plus CB vectorial F2, okay, equals to 0. Now I will replace my forces and the position vectors by their expression. So I can say that MC is equal to minus CA vectorial F1. Now what is vector CA? Vector CA is 3i. So 3i and plus 2j plus 3i plus 2j, and I do now, it's 0 along k, so no component along k. A vectorial F1, I replace F1 by its expression, which is minus 80i plus 200j and minus 300k. This is my first term, and I will do minus CB vectorial F2. So minus vector CB is 0 along I, 2 along J, so 2J only, because I don't have components along I and K for this vector. So it's minus 2J vectorial F2. I replace F2 by its expression, which is 250I minus 150J and minus 200K. Okay. Now, all I have to do is to do the expansion. Now, if you want, we can do the matrix method, or we can do just the expansion here. So equals to, I start I vectorial I 0, I vectorial j plus k, so it's plus 600k, but I have minus outside, so minus 600k. Now, j vectorial, I vectorial k is minus j, okay? But I have minus here, so plus, and I have minus outside, so minus. So minus 3 times 300, so minus 900 j, okay? Now I will continue the expansion with this term to j. I do j vectorial I. J vectorial I is minus k, but I have a minus here, so plus k, and I have a minus outside, so minus 2 times 80, 160, minus 160k. Now j vectorial j is 0. J vectorial k is plus I, but I have a minus, so minus I, and I have a minus outside, so plus. So plus 2 times 300, so it is 600, okay, 600 I. Okay. Now I will continue the expansion with the last term. I have j vectorial I, it's minus k, and I have a minus outside, so plus 500k, plus 500k. I have j vectorial j0, j vectorial k is plus I, and I have minus minus, so plus 400 I. Okay, and now in this way, all I have to do now is to sum I components together, j components together, and k components together to get vector MC. Along I, what do I have? 400 plus 600, so it's 1000 I. Along j, I have minus 900, minus 900 j, and along k, I have minus 600 plus 500, so minus 100, and plus 160, so it is plus 60. So if I didn't do any calculation errors, this is the result. Okay, let us verify. Okay, so we can see here the components of maybe we have done some for MC and for X and Y component, we have the same result. Let us check for K if we did some calculation error, because I obtained minus 260. So maybe we have a sign error here. Look, along K, we have it's true here. Just pay attention for the minus, and it's not plus 160K, it's minus 160. So بيصير عنا minus 100 minus 160, it's minus 260. So just here, it's you replace this one by minus 260. لأنه هون ما انتبهنا إنه في minus. The minus is here up. Okay. So here it's minus 260K. Okay. Any question on how we found the moment about C? Okay. So here, if you want, in this slide, we are repeating the sign convention in 2 dimensions. Okay. So as you can see, the normal is always positive in a way to create tension. So always when you take the right part, when you take the left part, N will be directed towards the right. And when you take the right part, N will be directed towards the left. And for shear, as we said, the shear try to rotate clockwise about the extremity. So this is here the extremity. Then here to rotate clockwise, it should be, V should be like this, to rotate clockwise about this end. And if you take the other part, V should be upward to rotate clockwise. Okay. Now for the moment, always the bending moment compresses the upper part of the beam. This is why when you take the left part, it should be counterclockwise. And when you take the right part, it should be clockwise. Okay. So we are done for today. If you have any question, for the exam, we don't have this chapter, but if you want, and this chapter is like a review for the previous chapters, because we are using the same concepts, but I will not include it in the exam. Okay, you have chapters 4 and 5 for the exam. Okay, any other question?
Thank you, doctor.
We do the problems on Blackboard, the review problems.
For this chapter?
No, for the exam, the chapters of the exam.
Yes, they are on Blackboard, of course. Okay. You want me to post review problems for the exam? Yes, okay, I will.
Okay, thank you. And if you have questions, you prefer mail or WhatsApp?
WhatsApp, because I can directly see them. If you send me an email, maybe I will not directly see it. Okay.
Okay,
When
doctor.
you have
Thank
any
you.
questions, send by WhatsApp.